Once you receive your mCareWatch MW241, in your package you'll receive your watch. You'll also receive a cover letter with all your details about your device, as well as the username and password, a user guide for the watch, as well as a user guide for the mobile app. Within the unit carton, what we provide is the power adapter and the cable for your recharger. So this is your recharger. What you'll need to do is attach the cable to the recharger and the power adapter. The watch is all set up and ready to use. All you'll need to do is turn it on by pressing the bottom button down, and what you'll see is the watch will turn on and be ready to use. Make sure you read the user guide as well.